The fight against COVID-19 was a once-in-a-lifetime fight. Although there wasn't the sound of gunfire or bomb, only with the sound from the monitor, the ventilator. This fight was not less disastrous and tragic than the war of humanity. Millions of infected cases, hundreds of thousands of unfortunate lives, tens of thousands of Vietnamese people had passed away. Over 2 years of the pandemic, besides unforgettably miserable loss and the enormous sacrifice from the people at the front line, the only thing deeply stayed in our mind is the compatriotism. National spirit has been fostered more than ever during that difficult time. At Hoa Lam Group, as well as Ya An 115 Hospital, City International Hospital, and Viet Bank, a meaningful, cherished journey was lightened by the founder, Madam Chun Thi Lam, through health-safe protection and pandemic-supporting activities for employees, strong policies to save thousands of lives timely, and the actual companion with the social community. In the end of April 2021, there had been a fourth COVID-19 pandemic spread in Vietnam, which was more exponentially disastrous compared to the 3 previous spreads due to the extremely dangerous Delta variant. The complicated development of the pandemic has impacted profoundly on the socio-economy and life of all citizens, especially at the pandemic hotspots such as Ho Chi Minh City, Binh Nhung, Dong Nai, etc. Madam Chun Thi Lam had been dedicated to accompany the medical field, supported the pandemic prevention positively, and along with all citizens across the country during the day of the storm COVID-19 by providing the medical branches possessed by Hoa Lam Group, which are Ya An 115 Hospital and City International Hospital. At the beginning, the decisions faced up with several difficulties, coming from concerns of international partners, employees towards the safety of the patients. Since August 2021, these 2 hospitals have pioneered in converting a part of the capacity into COVID-19's medical facility, which was shared the responsibilities with public hospitals in the fight against COVID-19. The hospitals had completed the receiving and treatment procedure quickly, allocated staff into 2 independent teams, 2 separated building blocks, and isolated screening areas to secure the patients. The first 150 beds of COVID-19 treatment center rushed into operation on August 18, 2021, and fully occupied after 2 days only. The most dangerous place in the fight against the death was the resuscitation area at Ya An 115 Hospital. Madam Chun Thi Lam has urgently supplemented dozens of personnel and 100 new beds, 32 monitors, 2 dialysis machines, 40 ventilators, 115 high-flow nasal cannula HFNCs, the liquid oxygen system in the central emergency area with a capacity of 17,000 liters per day, and simultaneously equipped with the system ECMO and hemoperfusion, hemoabsorption in special bed areas. The City International Hospital's Resuscitation Center reached 250 beds specializing in treating severe COVID-19 patients by utilizing the 5th floor into a separate COVID-19 treatment area. Accompany the socio-community. In addition to directly participating in the anti-pandemic frontline, Hoa Lam Group sent charity trucks carrying tons of medical equipment and necessities, as well as the heart and soul of millions of compatriots to people in epidemic areas, with a total value of nearly 100 billion Vietnam dong, with anti-pandemic activities such as support at hospitals and isolation facilities. In particular, support Field Hospital in Cu Chi District, Ho Chi Minh City, with 10 oxygen generators, 2,000 drop shields, 20,000 medical masks, 50 sets of stainless steel beds. Support the Quarantine Center in District 10, Ho Chi Minh City, with 1,000 gifts. Organize charity trucks and zero-dong mini-markets to support the employees to reduce their daily burden and remain strong during their mission of saving thousands of lives in the pandemic. At the same time, Hoa Lam Group also supported some agencies and organizations in Ho Chi Minh City, such as support the Ho Chi Minh City People's Council with 3,000 N95 masks, 10,000 antibacterial masks, 1,000 drop shields, 2,000 kilograms of rice, 200 bottles of fish sauce, 5,000 chicken eggs. Support the People's Committee of District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, with 10 oxygen generators, 50,000 antibacterial masks, 5,000 drop shields. Support People's Committee District 3, Ho Chi Minh City, with 40 blood pressure monitors, 80 SpO2 monitors, 30 oxygen generators, 300 rapid test kits, 2,000 masks and sanitizers, 500 drop shields, 400 water drums, 500 sets pandemic prevention suits. Support City People's Committee of Tuduk City with 20 oxygen generators, 10,000 drop shields, 5,000 N95 masks, 100,000 medical masks. Support People's Committee of Bintan District, Ho Chi Minh City with 30 oxygen cylinders. Support People's Committee of Hoc Mon District, Ho Chi Minh City with 10,000 drop shields, 5,000 N95 masks, 100,000 medical masks. Support the People's Committee of Binh Chanh District, Ho Chi Minh City with 5 oxygen generators, 2,000 N95 masks, 50,000 medical masks, 10,000 cloth masks. Support Public Security of Ho Chi Minh City with 2 billion Vietnam dong, including 1 billion in cash, 2,000 quick test kits, 10,000 N95 masks, 10,000 drop shields, 1,000 pandemic prevention suits. Support People's Committee of District 7, Ho Chi Minh City with 10 oxygen generators, 10,000 drop shields, 5,000 N95 masks, 50,000 antibacterial masks, 20,000 cloth masks. Support People's Committee of District 10, Ho Chi Minh City with 1,000 anti-epidemic protective suits, 1,000 drop shields. Support Police District 1, Ho Chi Minh City with 300 rapid test kits, 2,000 masks and alcohol sanitizers, 500 drop shields. Support Public Security of District 3, Ho Chi Minh City with 700 rapid test kits, 2,000 masks and alcohol sanitizers, 500 drop shields. Support Public Security in Bintan District, Ho Chi Minh City with 700 rapid test kits, 2,000 masks and alcohol sanitizers, 500 drop shields. Support the Ho Chi Minh City Department of Transport with 500 rapid test kits, 500 drop shields, 5,000 N95 masks, and many medical necessities for COVID prevention and control for District Tax Departments of District 12, Public Security News in Ho Chi Minh City, charity groups such as Chia Se Sharing in Vinh Nghiem Pagoda, etc. Hoa Lam not only participated to support Ho Chi Minh City, it also joined hands to support other provinces such as Quang Ngai, Hoa Binh, Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu, etc. When the pandemic's climax passed, the volunteer group continued the journey of lighting the fire of love by providing thousands of tons of rice to families in difficulty and supported tens of billions of Vietnam dong in funding to sponsor and nurture hundreds of children who have lost their family during the pandemic in order to help them overcome the loss and step forward. The charity works of Hoa Lam Group, Ya An 115 Hospital, and City International Hospital, under the guidance of founder Madam Chan Thi Lam, have received the wholehearted support and companionship from the government offices of Ho Chi Minh City, such as Municipal Party Committee, the People's Committee, the Minister of Health, the Department of Health, Bintan District. Recognizing these contributions, the People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City has awarded these two hospitals the Certificate of Appreciation for their outstanding achievements in the fight against the COVID-19. The recognition of the city government, as well as the patients, is the motivation for them to continue their efforts on the life-saving journey. This is the inspiration for Hoa Lam Group, Ya An 115 Hospital, and City International Hospital to continue their journey of spreading love and their mission of life-saving in the future.